how to fix Mailchimp emails going to spam. So I'm going to give you some tips. So here we're just going to click on campaigns and go to all campaigns and choose the email template that we would like to use. So right here, I'm going to use this one. So basically one thing you can do is for the content here, if we want to edit this. So here we can type out something like, make sure you uncheck the spam folder. So you can directly tell people here to uncheck your email list as spam because you're not spamming them. So that's one way of doing it. So you can basically ask the recipients directly to uncheck your email address as spam. And one more thing you can do is obviously add the unsubscribe link. You can tell them in the email address here that they can unsubscribe at any point. So you can type out, you can unsubscribe at any point, please don't mark us as spam. And hopefully your people or the recipients will listen. Just make sure you don't spam them. Follow all of Mailchimp's policies for spam, so you don't commit any so you don't cause any issues. And I'll see you next time. Bye.